This dance is called Malibù Mambo. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, improver level men dance. Starting on the right foot, kick the right over the left, step the right to the side. Kick the left over the right, step the left to the side. Kick right over left, step the right to the side. Cross the left over the right. There's a counter turn left as you step back on that right, step the left to the side. Kick the right over the left, step the right to the side, kick the left over the right. As you bring the left down and step the left beside the right, you're going to twist your heels to the left, twist your heels to the right, twist the heels left, flick the right back. So that is one section, which means there are a lot of counts in this dance. That set of steps once more then. Kicks up on the right. 7, 8. Kick and kick and kick and cross, turn, side, kick and kick, twist, 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 flick. So from that flick, you're going to step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. Into a mambo cross, rocking to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross that right over the left. Turn a quarter turn to the right as you step that left back. Step the right to the side, left heel forward, left beside right, cross the right over the left. So it's a bit of a vaudeville step in there. And finish the section with a side mambo. You're going to walk to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, step the left beside the right. That set of steps once more then, from that flick position. Side cross off on the right. 7, 8. Side cross, mambo, cross, turn, side, heel and cross, side mambo. Let's add those two sections together. Kicks off on the right. 7, 8. Kick and kick and kick and cross, turn, side, kick and kick, twist, 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 flick. Side, cross, mambo, cross, turn, side, heel and cross, side, mambo. Chassé to the right, side, pose, side, touch the left beside the right. Chassé to the left, side, pose, side, scuff the right forward. Into a jazz box, quarter turn with a step. You cross the right over the left, step the left back, quarter turn right, step forward and out the left. That set of steps once more then, chassé to the right. 7, 8, right, chassé, touch, left, chassé, scuff, cross, back, turn, step. Let's add that to the top. Kicks off on the right. 7, 8. Kick and kick and kick and cross, turn, side, kick and kick, twist, 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 flick. Side, cross, mambo, cross, turn, side, heel and cross, side, mambo. Right, chassé, touch, left, chassé, scuff, cross, back, turn, step. Mambo step, forward, on with the right. So you rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step the right beside the left. Back mambo on the left, rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, left beside right. Step forward on the right, hitch your left and clap. Step forward on the left, hitch your right and clap. Run forward, 4 steps, right, left, left. That set of steps once more then. Mambo off on the right. 7, 8. Mambo step, back mambo, step, hitch, run, 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 run. End of dance. dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. Kicks off on the right. 7, 8. Kick and kick and kick and cross, turn, side, kick and kick, twist, 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 flick. Side, cross, mambo, cross, turn, side, heel and cross, side, mambo. Side, chassé, touch, left, chassé, scuff, cross, back, turn, step. Mambo, step, back, mambo, step, hitch, run, 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 run. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts so you can see exactly where all those and counts are. Kicks off on the right. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So there's not many places where there isn't an and count. Now hopefully that gives you a feeling for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And I am going to try and speed it up a little bit as we go around them. Kicks off on the right. 7, 8. Kick and kick and kick and cross, turn, side, kick, twist, 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 flick, side, cross, mambo, cross, turn and heel and cross, side, mambo. Right chassé, touch, left chassé, scuff, cross, back, turn, step. Mambo, step, back, mambo, step, hitch, run, 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 run. Kick and kick and kick and cross, turn, side, kick and kick, twist, 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 flick. Side, cross, mambo, cross, turn and heel and cross, side, mambo. Right chassé, touch, left chassé, scuff, cross, back, turn, step. Mambo, step, back, mambo, step, hitch, run, 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 run. Kick and kick and kick and cross, turn and kick and twist, 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 flick, side, cross, mambo, cross, turn and heel and cross, side, mambo. Side chassé, touch, left chassé, scuff, cross, back, turn, step. Mambo, step, back, mambo, step, hitch, run, 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 run. So that's it, that is your dance and your walkthrough. Now because of the amount of steps there are in each of these sections, it's going to be quite difficult for me to try and chant it as we go through. It's going to be easier actually for me to call it by the counts. So I will count you through the first few walls of the dance when the music is on, just so that you get the feel of the rhythm of the music. Much easier to do, I think, by the counts than trying for me to get the chant right and keep you in time. So let's give it a go to the music. Hope you managed that one.